All right, so I'm pretty fucking pumped about this one. I just got a featured snippet in Google with a website that's dog shit, meaning brand new, virtually zero authority domain, no link building at all. It's my site, and I was able to get, you know what? This calls for a celebratory drink, because we are celebrating all victories, big or small. And you might be saying, oh, well, you know, it's a keyword with no volume. I'm about to show you that there's real volume. Salut, cheers. Onto the video. So here it is, and I'll show you which keyword it is, and it's pretty good. So if you watched my other videos, I'm kind of targeting legal SEO, really trying to niche it down, and there it is. If I type this in, why does SEO for personal injury lawyers matter? That's me. You see that? You see that logo? Right there. You see it? Just so you know I'm not lying. That's me. Anyways, pretty pumped. And this term actually has some volume, and I reverse engineer it because I can't remember how I actually stumbled upon this keyword. But then after some digging, I know exactly what I did. So I went to this Ahrefs keyword research planner, the free keyword generator. I think I probably put SEO for lawyers. Let's see if this works. And again, free tool, so it just shows you it's great. So you can see here tons of opportunity. You have the keyword difficulty on a scale of 0 to 100. So if it's green, it's a go. It means you can target it. So I went to questions. I went here to questions, and boom. I should not be revealing this because I have some competitors on my heels, but you know, they're gonna catch me because not much authority domain. So could be short-lived. I have no freaking clue, but I'm getting some traffic from it. I'll show you. So we got a volume of 50, which is awesome for a term that no one's targeting, if you think about it. And this could mean anywhere from 50 to 200. And I've seen, if you compare with the Search Console, which let's actually do that. Why not? So we're on the Google Search Console. So we're just going to do, I'm going to filter with the keyword matter because there's different ways, I guess, you can state that. So this is 3 months. Let's go last 28 days. So what do we get? Wait, let's go back. Matter. All right. So case and point. Even if it says 10 here, freaking go for it. That's the gist of this story. So I'm pretty excited about that. The Search Console says that term is being searched 152 times. So 3 times more than this projection. So there you go. Let's see. I'm trying to like backtrack how I actually found it. I think it was through this. I want to see one more thing, how it's performing in the Google, what is it called? Keyword Planner. Jeez. What do we got? United States. I'm just going to try to search one. Okay, so interesting. This is usually the first place I would go and see if the 3-month change, if it's increasing or not. So I'm pretty sure I found it through here. Okay, interesting. See, we're learning as we go here. I'm wondering, my last video on Uber Suggest, you guys can check that out. What do we get here? Keyword overview. You know, what I have noticed is there's a correlation between Uber Suggest and the keyword planner. So I think there is some information exchange on the back end there, whereas Ahrefs closer to SEMrush and Moz. I had a video on that too. So here, yeah, it says search volume of 10, which is way off. Just in case, let's see what Moz says. I'm just trying to see where I'm now 100% sure. See, now we are getting 51 to 100. So that's closer to the Ahrefs tool. So use the Ahrefs tool. Go there, go to questions. That's all you need. How did I set this blog up? And this is the nice thing. Aha. So it included in the blurb, right? If we go back, it includes a stat in the blurb, which is good. That means, interesting. I feel like we're all coming to an epiphany together. So it includes the stat from the article, which is great. I've optimized the title, obviously, and honestly, nothing crazy. I just, I wrote this one, I believe, and yeah, it's a pretty lengthy article. All right, so that's pretty much the end of the video. I'm pumped. Subscribe, whatever, do all that good stuff. Please follow, whatever, if you'd like to. Comment, what do you guys think?